I want to know your opinion. Do you think this is just plastering or do you think it's more artwork? I'd like to say it's artwork because I'm the one installing it, so I know how much time it takes, but we do get a lot of people commenting saying it's just plastering and we overcharge for what we do. Usually for these designs now I charge about £200 per square metre because we're in quite high demand. We're in quite high demand because I can openly say that I do the shiniest walls in the UK. I've saw a lot of other people's work and we definitely take a lot of time and do it the best, in my opinion anyway.